welcome back to Fun and Learn with Kriti and Shruti. You know, I have brought one more fun craft activity for you.
Wow!
And let's see what we are going to make today. Wow, these are so beautiful flowers. This and
Yes!
this. Today we are going to make these flowers. Come on, let's start and see how to make these flowers. Beautiful, beautiful. So, for this activity, we need a green or brown paper for the stem and any bright color paper for the flowers and a toothpick, some glue and a tape. Okay, now let's start. First we need the green paper and we have to fold it into half. Then you have to tear it apart. So you have these two slips, and now to make the stems from these. So for the stem you have to roll it like a pipe. I am going to make two different flowers, so I have made two stems. See, like this. So now for the flowers. So again we have to fold this into half and then tear it apart. And now to fold this also into half, both the papers. So first we are going to make this one. Okay, let's start making. So you have folded this like a book and now from this side from which it cannot open, you have to cut it till a particular part of the page, like not go full till the end, and do the same thing. So see friends how I have cut this into small strips, and now and flip it over, you'll see a mountain, but you have to bring these two sides over here. Fold it again like a book and stick it. Okay, now we have it like this. Now we'll take the stem and we have to wrap this like the petals. And first you have to put some glue over here like this and stick it. keep rolling it towards the other end. And when you have come to the other end, just tape it. Now your first flower is ready. See, this is looking so beautiful. You can make plenty of flowers like this. But we have another type of flower, so please wait. And now again we have to fold this paper into a booklet. And if you want to do it faster, you can fold it again into half. And now from the open side from which it opens, you have to cut it from there. Because in the first one we cut it from where it doesn't open, but now in this one we have to cut it from where it opens. So I have cut it like this from the open side, and now what you have to do is just roll it from a toothpick or anything like a toothpick. Like this. So friends, see, take a closer look to how it looks after folding it. Okay. And now, again, like the first flower we have made, again we have to wrap it around the stem. And we have to bring it to the other. So this is how our flower looks after it is made. Isn't it beautiful? And friends, if you like, you can also put the leaves in this flowers. Okay? So we have made 2 flowers today. Please do try it. And if you like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel below. Bye friends. See you soon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.